In this problem, we'll find the slope and the y-intercept of a line from the equation of a line. The equation is y equals 2x minus 1/4. This is written in the form y equals mx plus b. And we can see that by rewriting directly under here y equals 2x plus negative 1/4. I rewrote minus 1/4 as plus negative 1/4. Then the slope is read from the 2, and the y-intercept is read from the negative 1/4. The slope is simply 2. The y-intercept is a point. The x-coordinate of that point is 0. The y-coordinate is the b, or the negative 1/4. So directly from this equation, we've read the slope and the y-intercept of the line.